Hi, how are you? Hi to all. Good morning, my dear friend, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes here. In the previous sessions, we have learned the so many topics, right? The presentational elements, text formatting elements, all the things we are going to be learn in the previous classes. And now we are going to be learn about the new topic. About new topic. Let us see what this topic is here. Let us see what this topic you are going to be learn here. List. You are going to be learn about the list. In general meaning, what is mean by list? Suppose I am saying give the list of your students. That means you are going to give the write the names or the write the roll numbers. Is it clear? That means you are going to be write one by one order. That means in the same way in the web page if you wanted to create a list what tags we are going to be used you are going to be learn. Okay, all of you, these tags we are going to be say it as a HTML list. List is allows the web developer to group the set of related items in the list. That means here, suppose I am saying here list of fruits. That means here you are going to be write all the fruit names. Is it clear? In the same way, here we have the two types of list. Two types of list. That means unordered list and order list. Unordered list and order list. Is it clear, all of you? See here. Unordered list and order list. Here, the order unordered means it does not have any order. Does not have any order. Order list means here it have an order. Your rule numbers are there. In your exam, in your last exam, you are going to be sit in an order. Is it clear? But whereas in the college, you are going to be sit in an order. It does not have any order to arrange the exam. Is it clear? That means here then it does not have any order, that is known as here unordered list. That is known as here unordered list. But whereas in the final exam you are going to be sit by rule number wise. You are going to be sit by rule number wise. That is known as here order list. How many types of list we have here? Two types of list we have, an order list and unordered list. In the order list, you are going to be mention a number. You are going to be mention a number. See here, stars are there. Will they have any order there? It does not have any order. But the sun and the moon we have an order. That means it going to have only one. That means it going to come an order thing. That is the meaning of order list and unordered list. In the same way here, in order list and unordered list lo what tags we are going to be used, let us see. Let we are going to be learn. In the unordered list or in the order list, how many tags we are going to be used to create a list? Is it clear? In the unordered list HTML list. In the unordered list, the list is started with UL. The tag is going to be start with UL tag. UL unordered list. ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి? Unorder means here U. List means here L. That means you are going to be identified. You are going to be keep it in the mind. UL. UL means here unordered list. That is means by UL is a tag. Each list starts with a UL. Each list starts with a LI. LI. Each list starts with LI. The list items will be marked with a bulletins or a small black circles. Each item is going to be marked with bulletin. Let us see here. Bulletin is there. Here the button is there. Here, but it is a one item. This is one item. This is one item. This is one item. But in the order list, we are going to give a numbers. We are going to be give a numbers. That is a different. How many HTML list we have here? Two types of list. What are they here? order list and unorder list. See here, i's are order 1 and 2, but where it has here, we can count this order, it have an order? No, that is nothing but here order list, unorder list. We can't count the hair. We can't, does not have any order. That is known as here unorder list. But i's order, it must be one in other side and one in other side. It is an order list. Is it clear? The i's are two. బట్ ఇట్స్ ఇన్ ఒకటి పైన ఒకటి కింద ఉందా, ఒకటి ఆర్డర్లో ఉంది, ఒకదాని పక్కన ఒకటి ఆర్డర్ వీ హ్యావ్ హియర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ ఆర్డర్ లిస్ట్ అండ్ అన్ఆర్డర్ లిస్ట్. అండ్ కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్ హియర్, what tag we are going to be used. UL means here unordered list. What type of order we are going to be used? Unordered. See here, an unordered list starts with UL, and each list starts with LI tag. Each list is going to be starts with LI tag, and the list of items to be marked with bulletins and the small black circles by default. Let us give an example here. UL, LI coffee, LI tea, LI milk. That means here list LI. List means here LI. Starting LI and ending LI. Starting LI and ending LI. Starting LI. These all are in what order here? What list here? Unordered list. What list here? Unordered list. Let us check it out the output here. This is the HTML program. HTML head, HTML, starting HTML and ending HTML. Without head also we can also be write. Here let us see here heading H2 and unorder HTML list H2, LI, unorder list tag, UL tag ending. In between I used here LI, I used here how many here? Coffee, tea, milk. మనం టీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏది ఆర్డర్లో వేయాలని ఉందా? నో, ఏది వేసినా టీ అయిపోతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? అండ్ లెట్ us check it out here. Output is here an order list. This is a web page. An unordered list of HTML list. An unordered HTML list. Coffee, tea, milk. Let us see here. Suppose I am changing here. I wanted to change here another. Okay. LI water. Water also we are going to be add slash LI. Okay. I am saving it. Save. Next I am running here. Water. It's going to be get a water. Is it clear? I am removing the coffee. No need of coffee to make a tea. Okay. I am saving it. Save. Then next I am making run option. See. Tea, milk and water. Is it clear? Shall we do in the notepad? Okay. Let's we try. This is a notepad. Okay. In the notepad, I am writing a HTML program by using unorder list. First what we have to do? HTML. Okay. Font size I am going to make it as a very small. Next here what I have to write here? Without body or without head also I can also be write. Okay. I am writing only the body here. Body. Okay. Then next I am writing here H1. h1. What we have to write? Unorder list, right? Okay. Slash h1. Okay. Then next, what I am writing? What we have to write here? Unorder list. Unorder list means here ul ul. And the next, what I am writing here? I am writing. Suppose I am writing here li slash li. Next here li mango slash li. Then next I am writing here list means li means here list. Then next I am writing here li. What we are going to be write? Grapes I am writing here slash li. Okay. Then next I am writing here slash I am closing here order another list. I am closing here another list. Then I am closing the body. Then I am closing the slash html. Okay. Then I am saving this part. I am saving with unorder un sorry unord dot html. Okay. We are going to get here save. See unorder. Okay. Let us see here. I wanted to get the output. I wanted to get the output. See here. What is the name here? Unorder list. Unorder, right? I am clicking here and open with Chrome. Let us see here output here. See unorder list apple, mango, grapes. Okay, that is the output of the web page. What is the program name here? Unorder list. Okay, what is the web page name? What is web page name here? Unorder. Web page name is here unorder. Page is unorder list. Okay, all of you. This is the use of unorder list. These two are lists are here two, order list and unordered list. We have learned the unordered list and we have written the program also unordered list. In the next class you are going to be learn the order list. Now you have learned unordered list. It does not have any order, it have only the bulletin points. In the order list you have the order of the, see here, give an example here, ordered list, ordered html list 1 2 3 4, like this we have an order, but here we have an item, it does not have any order, that is nothing but here unordered list, unordered html list and the order html list. Unordered list both are the same, but only thing is here in the order list we are going to be used here numberings. In the order list we are going to be used here numbers, Roman letters or ABC. But here in the unordered list you are going to be used here bulletin points. You are going to be used here bullet points. Is it clear? Thick bond size we are going to be used. That is the main difference between, that is the HTML list. In the HTML list we have the two types of list. Order list and unordered list. Order list means here the list have an order. Unordered list means here the list does not have any order. Thank you, one and all.